Watch the swirl, watch the swirl. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
It's busy.
Look at the vortex. Look at the vortex. I love that. I love that. Okay, homeboy, we begin with pink lemonade. This is a summertime sangria punch sent to us by
Stephanie Haynes.
Hey, Steph. What's up, girl? Something like that. We can hit this with some Malibu. That's a handle, okay? That's 1.75 liters. For those of you who don't know, that's what a handle is.
I don't think the original recipe called for this much.
So, Steph, we had to modify your punch because you sent us a recipe for a smaller bowl, and this is a pretty big bowl. So we had to add in more booze, okay? Now, homeboy, we come in behind that with fresh lemon slices. Oh, make it rain.
Pink lemonade.
Okay, but now strawberries, because strawberries complement lemons. Lemon and strawberries. Okay, Steph, let's get some. We got Arbor Mist Mango Strawberry Moscato.
Wait, it's not a cork? I thought it was a cork.
Ain't nobody using cork no more, man. Cork is old school. Watch the swirl, watch the swirl. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
It's busy.
Look at the vortex. Look at the vortex. I love that. I love that. That's our signature right now. The little vortex. I think I could swirl two at once.
No.
But it wouldn't have to try, right?
Don't break anything.
How would I do this though?
No.
Oh! Did you see it, homeboy? You come over the top of that with some of our lemon lime soda, okay? It's like our little mixer. Lemon lime soda! Oh yeah.
Why are you pouring so slowly?
You want me to swirl this too?
No, I just want you to be quicker.
The reason why I'm doing this like this because I want to create a little gradient. I don't want this to like really mix in. I want that separation, you see? So I was hoping that this kind of stayed more towards the top. So you can end up with a nice like pink, red bottom. Think that's enough soda now?
No, just keep going.
Are we going all in with the soda?
May as well.
And there you have it, the summertime sangria punch by my girl Stephanie Haynes. Steph, I love what you did here, and it's beautiful. And we're not gonna stir it. We're gonna drink it as is, and you don't drink and drive, and you always drink responsibly. Okay? Start your own risk. Later.